films, and we're gonna take pain again. Go around the city and have some pain. This time, we're gonna feature Mandaue.
Yeah, Mandaue is the best.
So,
Hashtag Cebu Cities.
So watch this video and enjoy our food trip.
I'm excited for the pay.
We're here at J Mall and we're gonna check out a fried chicken place nearby. So, and we're gonna bring in some pain.
Two kinds of pain.
Char, are you a chili head?
Yeah, I fancy myself as a chili head. I tried sriracha sauce. I tried, you know, all the social sauces because I'm that guy.
So now,
also, shout out to Sugbo Hotel because we're spicy food.
The daily grind, grinding every day. Yes. So now we're gonna go to our first stop. We're gonna have chicken. Kami nilapit sa J-Mall, palit nagtag-kinsing manok o lumpia.
Ganun siya, kapoy na eh. PL is good. Kana ako and puso. Ikaw ba eh?
Kasi mo mainom kaya ba eh? So we're gonna try out pain with fried chicken.
Chicken in the streets, man. Like how
So fried chicken in the street.
how our ancestors did. Oh, okay, let me get chicken.
Good meat.
Expected.
Fried chicken. Let's put some pain, man.
Ready na ho?
We're ready.
Take slow na po na.
So I'm gonna let Richard taste pain today.
The word though. The word though. Oh my god. Okay, here's the thing.
Whoa!
Gana ba? Gana ba na? Shit! From your video, I saw that it will be building up. Oh, without never. Oh, asking to na rin ba? Mga to! Mga 3/4, wala, 1/4 sa samyang ba eh.
Yeah, good
Hindi man explode. Yeah, ang kwan. Basta mahurang samyang. So, patag siya sa all over yung mga kanina. So, man sa throat.
Mga ba?
Ano kaya? Napay flavor.
Ay, flavor? Ano makakatulong sa ba?
Really like ko na rin siya. Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa, it's awesome, man. So if you have a hotter chili out there, bring it on. We have a guy here.
Is that it? Not even sweating.
It's just gonna run through it off.
Kanang kuhan, ha, basta flavorful. Kailan ko tagay ka na.
At least getting the flavor. So this is
Not got it. Okay, or it's still there.
so it's my turn.
Pain in the streets, yeah?
Grabe din dito nito. Wow!
Yeah.
For me, it's really spicy.
Nice bit, pero you can compare to some yung mga 1/3 kahangal tayo na.
But at least it's worth it.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, this is sweating now.
It's pleasurable. The pain, dito nga.
I was so worried.
Yeah, no need to worry.
I was so worried that I was abnormal.
Yeah. That was too bad. Bring it on, makers.
So you only spend 115 pesos for all in all 4 pieces of chicken, 4 pieces of lumpia, 1 piece chicken feet, then 5 puso and 1 Pepsi. So it's only 115 bucks.
It's an overstatement to call it pain because I didn't feel pain at all. Jesus. Pero it has like itong spice addict or a spicy head would like and lingering na the more it glows ng mga pings kay pressure mo siyang acupuncture in the mouth. So I like it. It's pressure, but I might try it again. Pero samyang still the best. It's still the best. Flavor-wise, spicy-wise.
How was it with the chicken?
Chicken is as expected in my mind. It felt like this was really good in the brain, in my head. And then it delivered. It delivered. Really
What
good.
else? What do you think is, what other food is bagay with?
Off the top of my head, San Carlos Ngoyong, Gian niya, silugan si Gian. Kaya I go there for when I work.
He's a chili head, so everything's good with chili.
Yeah, almost. Dito lang si Kuan that's my favorite is ang torong, torong sa Makta. Yeah! They got
spicy barbecue.
It's good spicy.
Really spicy, right?
Not super spicy, but it's good spicy.
But, I mean flavorful spicy.
Flavorful spicy too. Probably twice a month I go there after I do my work. Yeah, nindot pa si kayo kanibalhin ang kuan, man. Isidra, shout out to Isidra. Isidra ba?
Yeah, but I'm sad because they're far, but
boy, talong chips consistent yung guys sigaw ko. Ang talong chips ito, neto lang ko balik pag opening nila. Nya lisod lang kay challenging lang kay ang traffic. Pero sometimes I feel na you know, traffic versus the tastiness of talong chips ma-offset ra niya. Mas mo prevail ang Kalami talong chips.
So now we're gonna look for other places where we can bring pain.